Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode we will be learning how to change language setting on ChatGPT application on your Android device. Whether you are using mobile device or tablets, this process is useful and works for both. First of all, launch open ChatGPT application on your device. Once you're inside the home page logged into the account, click on the two horizontal menu button at the top left. In the expanded menu, go to the bottom and click on your username or your name. In the settings menu that pops up on the screen, click on Personalization. Now click on Language from the Personalization menu. Select from different language options available on the screen. Choose the language you want to change to and click on OK. And soon after that, your chosen language will be applied in the interface. And that's it. Now you've successfully changed the language on ChatGPT. This will make your experience more smoother and more personalized in the language you prefer. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.